Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the cardiovascular exercise and their benefits to the heart. At the end of this video, you will learn 5 simple cardiovascular exercises you can easily engage in that will help to improve your heart health. So, stick to the end and please do well to like and subscribe. Before we jump into the list, let us understand what the cardiovascular system is, and how important these exercises will help to improve it. The cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is a vital network in the human body, responsible for the transportation of blood, oxygen, nutrients, and waste products. It consists of the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels such as arteries, veins, and capillaries. According to WHO, cardiovascular diseases, CVDs, like coronary heart disease, cerebrovascular disease and others, are the leading cause of death globally. In 2019, an estimated 17.9 million people died from CVDs, representing 32% of all global deaths. Additionally, over 85% of these deaths were caused by heart attack and stroke. So, here is our list of cardiovascular exercises to help improve your heart function. Number 5. Running. Running is a form of aerobic exercise that helps to improve cardiovascular fitness, burn off calories, and manage weight. When you run, your heart undergoes several changes to meet the increased demand for oxygen and energy. These changes can include an increase in heart rate, leading to a higher cardiac output. As a result, your heart beats faster and more forcefully to pump more blood and oxygen to your muscles for the exercise. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that runners were 45% less likely to die of a heart attack and stroke than non-runners. Running regularly can help strengthen the heart muscles and make them more efficient in distributing blood. Number 4. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that involves the active participation of the whole parts of your body. It improves the muscles' ability to pull oxygen from the blood and reduces the need for the heart to pump more blood to the muscles. Swimming is an ideal exercise for people of all ages, and can help to improve cardiovascular fitness, burn off calories, and manage weight. It also helps to lower blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, and increase high-density lipoprotein, which is known as the good cholesterol. Number 3. Cycling. Cycling is an excellent form of exercise that offers numerous benefits to your heart health. It works just about every muscles in the body, including the heart muscle. Regular cycling helps to increase metabolic rates, lowers resting pulse, and reduces blood fat levels. According to research, cycling for just 20 minutes a day is enough to keep blood pressure and cholesterol levels in check. Number 2. Rope jumping. Rope jumping is an affordable, easy, and fun way to exercise, and can be done anywhere and anytime. It is a form of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, that enhances cardiovascular fitness by increasing the heart rate and breathing, making the body more efficient at utilizing oxygen. High-intensity interval training is a form of exercise that involves breath-catching breaks in between trainings. Number 1. Dancing. Dancing is a fun and engaging way to improve heart health, as it involves rhythm, coordination, and movement that can contribute to overall cardiovascular fitness. Research indicates that moderate intensity dancing is linked to a lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease. A study, which pooled data from 48,000 British people, found that dancers had a 46% lower risk of cardiovascular death, compared to those who rarely or never danced. In conclusion, according to the current physical activity recommendations, adults should engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week, such as brisk walking, or 75 minutes of vigorous-intensity aerobic activity per week, like running and mountain climbing. These activities should be spread evenly over 4 to 5 days a week or every day, to be able to cover the current physical activity recommendation. In addition to aerobic activities, it is essential to include muscle-strengthening activities that work all major muscles like the legs, the chest, the abdomen and others on at least 2 days a week. Please like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification as we keep bringing your way some tips that will help improve your health and wellness lifestyle. Thank you for watching.